Good morning, everyone. Today we will try to discuss a new topic, which is water tank design. In actual case, when we have to design a water tank, there is a requirement for the capacity of water that will be comes from the population data actually. মানে the main thing is when you are trying to design a water tank, there is a specific need for the purpose of the water tank. That means who are the consumer and how they are demanding the water. The pattern of the water demand will be very much important for this purpose. So in water tank design, there we will most of the cases say that uh, 15 mld or 20 mld or sometimes gld. This means mld means million liter per day. Okay, million liter per day, or GLD means gallon liter per day. So these are the unit. Per day means the consumptions are required for the purpose of the consumptions. People required that much of water, but to get that value we required some previous data or some background data. That background data primarily comes from the population data. That when you already gone through your syllabus, that in a city the population is increase or decrease day by day. That is not constant. So for certain decay or certain time period, population, how much it can be changed, that must be calculated from the population forecasting formulas, or sometimes it may be from some formula or some case studies. So that part we are not including in this lecture part. That is another part, but right now we are only discussing that the consumption, how the tank capacity is comes. So for that purpose we are actually have to do the double mascot problem from hydrology. Okay, here we are taking a problem. Whatever the source you are taking, groundwater or surface water, you have to pump out the water, and you have to throw it or store it into the water tank. So pumping capacity is also very much required. In most of the cases, the pumping capacity are intermittent, or sometimes it may be continuous. So here we will try to discuss both type of problem: intermittent water supply from the source, and another part is continuous source. The first problem is actually continuous flow. Continuous flow. Here you can see that water, if sorry, before last line before the table starting, there is clearly written that if the pumping to be done for 24 hours. Okay, I am coming to this part again.